Dear students, today we will study some reaction, chemical reaction that is based on heat. Chemical reaction based on heat. As we know, जब वाटर से आइस बनता है तो उसके लिए हम उसको फ्रीज में रखते हैं. दैट मीन्स वाटर लिबरेट्स द हीट एनर्जी. उस वाटर में से हीट एनर्जी निकलती है, रिमूव होती है, तब वो आइस में कन्वर्ट होता है. और इसके रिवर्स अगर हम जाएं, अगर एक आइस को हम हीट करते हैं, उसको एनर्जी देते हैं, तो आइस वाटर में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है. सो देयर आर टू टाइप ऑफ chemical reaction based on the heat give and take. So our first reaction is endothermic reaction. As the name suggests, endothermic. Dher means heat and when finished means supply. We gives the heat during the reaction. Giving. To give means in this reaction we gives the heat during the reaction and product form. So we will see the examples of the endothermic reaction. इसमें फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट is heated and it split into calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Means कैल्शियम कार्बोनेट को हमने हीट सप्लाई किया, इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. ओके, वी कैन राइट इन सेम रिएक्शन इन दिस वे. CaCO3 प्लस हीट एरो calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. In this reaction, this is the reactant and this is product. This product is formed due to the heat supply. Because of this heat, this calcium oxide and carbon dioxide is formed by the calcium carbonate. So we can write heat by symbolic form, this triangle on this arrow, और ये जो एरो के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में वहाँ हम इसे हीट लिख सकते हैं, बट नॉट ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. इफ आर राइटिंग हीट ऑन द लेफ्ट हैंड साइड टुवर्ड द रिएक्टेंट साइड, तो इस रिएक्शन का नाम हो जाएगा एंडोधर्मिक रिएक्शन. मीन्स वी आर सप्लाइंग द हीट ड्यूरिंग द रिएक्शन. चलो और एक एग्जांपल देखते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल वाटर is heated or given the electrical energy, as you have studied in the 8th and 9th standard analysis of water. So it will split into hydrogen gas plus oxygen gas. So water, with the help of this electrical energy supplied during the reaction, and it gives hydrogen and oxygen, these two products. So student, chemical reaction based on heat पे हमने देखे endothermic reaction. Now we will see second reaction, that is exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction, as the name suggests, exo and thermic. Dher means heat, exo means exit, means heat comes out, it removes, liberation of heat or removal of heat. Okay, so in exothermic reaction, heat comes out. Just we see some examples on exothermic reaction. So देखेंगे एक एग्जाम्पल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड. Calcium oxide, in this we have added the water. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड में हमने वाटर ऐड किया या वाटर के साथ कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड का रिएक्शन है. कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड रिएक्शन विथ वाटर टू फॉर्म्स द कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और लाइम वाटर. कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड और लाइम वाटर. And simultaneously heat comes out. Just see in this one, calcium oxide react with water. On the other side, product side, calcium hydroxide and heat. In this reaction, heat is here, means heat is comes out. That's why its name is exo. Heat is exiting. Exothermic reaction. Exothermic reaction means heat is coming out. So the definition will be the chemical reaction in which heat evolves or heat is liberated, heat is removed during the reaction is called exothermic reaction. We will see one more reaction of the exothermic reaction. Copper sulfate plus zinc and zinc. So product will be zinc sulfate plus copper plus heat. Students, you will see heat is coming out on the right hand side, on product side. Means in this reaction, reactant is copper sulfate and zinc, and product is zinc sulfate, copper, and heat is coming out. So this reaction is once again, it is exothermic reaction. Copper plus heat. एक और रिएक्शन लेते हैं एक्सोथर्मिक पे. वेरी पॉपुलर रिएक्शन. एसिड प्लस बेस. On the other side, salt plus water plus heat evolved. So acid, hydrochloric acid, it is base sodium hydroxide, it is salt or sodium chloride, and water. In other way, it is acid, it is base, it is salt, and it is water. And right hand side, on the product side, you will see heat is evolved. So once again, this reaction is exothermic reaction. Its another name is acid plus base, salt plus water. It is neutralization reaction. Its another name is double displacement reaction. So double displacement reaction or neutralization reaction, or you can say double displacement reaction, or you can say exothermic reaction. Means one reaction you can apply on three places, three type of reaction, and example is only one. So this is a textual example. So and it is most popular and important. बोर्ड में कई बार इसे पूछे गए हैं, तो आप लोग इसे याद कीजिए. So today we have studied two type of chemical reaction based on the heat. One is endothermic and there is exothermic reaction. So here I am giving the one question. Write type of chemical reaction based on heat, liberation means removal or supply. स्टूडेंट्स, एक क्वेश्चन के साथ मैं आपको एक टेक्स्ट बुक का रिलेटेड नोट्स भी भेज रहा हूँ. आप इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए और जो डाउट्स आप मुझे जानकारी में लाइए. थैंक यू.